Now we are looking system of equation. For system of equation, simply we have two or more linear equation. First we will look on a linear system of equation. After that we will look a little bit more complex system of equation. In generally we have two linear equation with two variables. For example, a1x plus b1 is equal to c1, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Let's give one more example. 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. We have two variables and two equations, then we can solve it. Sometimes you can see some with three variables. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 10. And you will get two different equations like this with two variables. For solving system of equation, our goal is decreasing two variables x and y to only one variable, x or y. When we have three variables, first our goal is making this one with two variables, after that making this one with one variable. Okay, now let's look, let's give one example and let's do that. For example, 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. X plus 3y is equal to, let's say, 5. Okay. For solving this one, we have first method is called elimination method. For elimination methods, we have to multiple one first or second equation with a number to making one of these variables coefficients equal to each other. For example, we can make 2 and 1 equal to each other, or 4 and 3. I am choosing making x coefficient equal to each other because it is easier than second one. We have to just multiply second one by 2. So we will get this type of equation. 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x plus 6y is equal to 10 again. After that we have to subtract second one from first one. When they have same sign, we have to subtract. When they have different sign, we have to find total of them. So we will get 0 plus minus 2y is equal to 0, and negative 2y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. After that we have to put this number, this value in the first or second equation. Then we will get x is equal to 5. Okay, let's write it again. This one is called elimination. We eliminate x and first find y. After that we found x. Now let's eliminate y and let's find x. So for this one we have to multiply first one by 3, second one 4. So we will get 6x plus 12y is equal to 30. 4x plus 12y is equal to 20. And when we find difference of them, we will get 2x is plus 0 is equal to 10, and x is equal to 5. Then we have to put this number first or second equation. We will get y is equal to 0. So we have to get same answer for both of them. Which one is easier to do that? Second method is called substitution method. For substitution method, we have to substitute x with y or y with x. For example, from this equation we can either substitute, we can easily find x is equal to 5 minus 3y. Then we have to put this value in first equation. So we will get 2 multiplied by 5 minus 3y plus 4y is equal to 10. 10 minus 15y plus 4y is equal to 10. After that we can write 11y, negative 11y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. After that we have to put this number in the first equation and we will get 5. So you can see that for 3 solution we will get same answer, so it's right. For all of them it is right. Okay, we talk about A, B, and now talk about C. Actually we don't need this one I think, but let's look it. Actually we don't learn linear functions, that's why it's not needed for this lesson. For this one we have to just draw function of both of them. For example, this one is first one, this one second one. Then this point will be our solution. Intersection point is our solution. Okay, now talk about number of solution. First we write this formula or this form. We call this one standard form. And also we have one y-intercept slope form. We didn't learn this one today. We will learn slope y-intercept in next lessons. That's why we don't look this part. We are not looking at this part. Okay. Now let's look one solution. For one solution, for example, 5x plus 10y is equal to 20 and 3x plus 3y is equal to 10. For one solution, a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2. So for every system of equation you have to look a, and if you have to write it in this form, x, y, y and constant, then you have to look ratio. 5 over 3 is equal to 10 over 3. When we do cross multiplication, 20 is equal to 30, but it is not equal. That's why there is one solution for this one. Okay, now let's look second case, infinite number of solution. And I want to say that when we find x5, y0, it means that it is one solution. We are talking about pair. It doesn't mean it has two solutions. Or when we get x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, it doesn't mean it has zero solution, it is one solution also. For infinite number of solution, if a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2, we have to look it is relationship between c1 and c2. If it is also equal to c1 over c2, it is infinite number of solution. If it is not equal to last one, it is no solution. For example, let's give one example for infinite number of solution. 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. 4x plus 10y is equal to 20. As you can see, if we multiply first one by 2, we will get second equation. So when it is like this, it means that there is infinite number of solution. Or let's look ratio. 2 over 4 is equal to 5 over 10. It's equal to 10 over 20. All of them is equal to 1 over 2. That's why it has infinite number of solution. For example, you can see this type of question like this: ax plus by is equal to 10. Let's write 4x minus 10y is equal to let's say 100. What's the value of a plus b? For finding a plus b, we have to first find a and b. Normally, a over 4 is equal to b over negative 10. and it is equal to 10 over 100. From here we know that it is 1 over 10. So let's write a over 4 is equal to 1 over 10 and a is equal to 0.4. For b over negative 10 is equal to 10 over 100 and b is equal to negative 1. So it will be equal to negative 0.6. Let's look no solution. Let's give one example related to no solution. For no solution we can write 2x plus 4y is equal to 8 and x plus 2y is equal to 5. When we multiply second one by 2 we will get same first side with first one. We will get 2x plus 4y but different output. When we have different output for same thing, it means there is no solution. 2 over 1 is equal to 4 over 2, but it is not equal to 8 over 5. From here we can also understand there is no solution. Now let's look a little bit more complex system of equation. Y plus 3x is equal to 0, x squared plus 2y squared is equal to 76. From here we can do substitution methods. We can write y is equal to negative 3x. Then we can put it in first one. After that we will get this example and we can find y easily. So for all system of equation our goal is making two variables, decreasing two variables to one variable. For example, let's look second one. For second one, actually, second equation has only one variable. Actually, from here maybe you can find x. After that, you can find y also. But for making it simpler, you can find this equation from first one. Then you can write it in second one. After that, you can find y easily. For example, let's look xy is equal to 8, xz is equal to 5, yz is equal to 10. If we have to find multiplication of them, then it will be x squared, y squared and z squared, because there's 2x, 2y, 2z is equal to 400. xyz is equal to 20, and from here we can find, for example, x easily. xyz over yz is equal to x, right? So 20 over 10 and it is equal to 2. So as you can see, all of them are, I think, very easy.